So here is how to make an event ticker booking in WordPress. So WordPress is a free open source content management system or CMS that allows users to create and manage websites, blogs, and other web content. WordPress is constantly improving and is a reliable option for building a website. It's also open source, which means anyone can use it, modify it, and share it. So click on my link down in the description if you want to start using WordPress for free. So here on the official WordPress website, if you scroll through, you will get to see a lot of information. Now, let's scroll up to the top. Here, you will see sections like products, features, resources, and then you have plans and pricing. So once you're in the plans and pricing section, you will get to see all of their available plans, starting from personal, premium, business, commerce, and enterprise. And here, you can also check out the discounts on the yearly plans. Then we have monthly. And here, if you select it, you will get to see the pricing for the monthly plans. Now, let's click on Login and log in to our account. So once you're in your account dashboard, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options, including plugins. Click on Plugins, and on the top right here, you will get to see this search bar where you can search for specific plugins. So let's go ahead and search for the plugin named Hunk Companion. After that, just click on this search bar. Then, you will get to see this plugin on the results page right here. So click on it. And once you're here, just click on Upgrade and Activate on the right side. And once you click on it, you will get to see this pop-up right here. And as you can see, you can upgrade and activate plugin. If you click on it, you'll be redirected to the checkout section. And this is for WordPress Business. You need to select the business plan and enter your billing information. Then, you need to put in your payment method. And here on the right side, you will get to see the total amount for your package. So review all of the information right here and check out. And since we're not buying this subscription, let's leave this page. So click on Leave. And after that, click on Appearances on the left panel. From here, you will get to see all of your themes right here. And also, all of these categories to choose from the top panel. You can also use the search bar to search for specific themes. Also, you can use this to filter them. And on the top right, you have Install New Theme. Now scroll through this page and look for a template that you want to use. I will go with this one for now. So click on the three dots on the bottom right corner of this template and click on Info. After that, you will reach this page. Here, you can see the style variations and default style for the template. So click on each of the parts in order to check them out on the right. And as you can see, if you select them, you will get to see the transformation in real time on the right preview. Now scroll down further and you will get to see some more information about this template. And here you have a video in order to learn how to edit in WordPress. You can also download this template from here. So once you're done viewing all the information on this page, scroll up to the top. After that, click on this button that says Customize Site, and you will be redirected to the editor of WordPress. Now, just wait for it to load up. And here on this section, you can see all of the elements of the template that you just chose. And on the left panel, you have the design elements. And here, on the right panel, you have all the options to customize this template. Here, if you click on a specific section, you will get to see some options regarding the section on the right panel. So go through them to make adjustments. After that, let's go ahead and click on the W icon on the top left corner. And this will show you this section. Here, you have navigation. After that, if you go back, you will see styles. Here, you can set whatever style that you like. You can also select the color palettes from here. Then click on Review 2 changes on the bottom left corner. Then just click on Save on this pop-up. After that, go back from Styles. Then you have Pages. Here, you can see all the pages that you have. You can also select how you want to view it. Then on the left panel, you have different sections. So let's go back from Pages and then select Templates. And this is where you will get to see your selected templates. you will see different elements and parts of your template. So you can select them to make adjustments, and you can also select specific templates from the left. And since I only have one template, this is the only one that we can see. So let's go back from templates. Lastly, we have patterns. So once you're in the pattern section, you will get to see all of the patterns available on your template. So scroll through and you can make changes to any of the patterns that you want. Here, let's scroll through and select one. So here on this pattern, you can click on the three dots right here if you want to duplicate it. So click on duplicate and you will get to see this option. Click on duplicate again to confirm. And here on the left panel, you have header, footer, and general. So let's go ahead and click on these options to check them out. This way you can easily find different parts. Now let's go back from patterns. Now let's click on this template. After that, scroll down and you will get to see this icon which you can use to add elements. And if you click on it, you will get to see this section on the left panel. So select whichever part that you want. You can select patterns, about, blog posts, contact, and a whole lot more. So after selecting any of them, you will get to see some more options you can choose from right here. And it is the same for data as well. Now let's click on events. And here you will see the related elements. So let's go ahead and click on this one. And you can see it has the options to get tickets. So you can customize it and make your event ticket booking option. So after that, if you go to gallery, you will get to see elements for that. Then you can go over to headers. And as you can see, we have all the patterns for headers. Just drag and drop whichever one that you like onto this section just like this. Now, let's go ahead and click on the section on the bottom left corner which says Explore All Patterns. Then you will see this pop-up where you can view all the elements easily. So just go ahead and select whichever one that you like. And as you can see, we've selected pricing. And now we will click on Media on the top left. After that, click on Images and you will see all your available images. Then you can go ahead and select one. You can also explore Openverse and Pexels free photos. This way, you can search for free stock photos and use them all for free. So let's go ahead and select this one as an example. And as you can see, it got added onto the canvas right away. Here on the top right corner, you will get to see some additional options, such as styles. So if you choose styles, you can change different parts and styles for individual sections. So let's go ahead and select a font. And as you can see, all the fonts on the page has changed. This way you can scroll through the fonts and select whichever one that goes well with your vision. Then you have appearances. Here, you can set the appearance of your text. Now, let's go back from the heading section. After that, you can select captions or other parts as well. Here, you can do the same for each of the sections. So we will now go back and select buttons. And here, if you scroll down further, you will get to see each of the buttons. So let's go ahead and select a font for the buttons. And as you can see, it has changed right away. Also, you can tweak around with the size. And for the appearance, let's put it on bold for now. Also, you have letter case on the bottom. This way you can easily set the letter case for your texts. And then you can set the letter spacing. After that, let's go back from buttons. Then you have font size presets. So let's go back from this section, and as you can see, we have background right here. Now if you go back further, you have layout at the end. So this way, just make all of the changes and click on Save on the top right corner, and then go through this information and click on Save to confirm. After that, you just need to wait a few moments for it to get saved. So you can use all of these methods shown in order to make an event ticket booking in WordPress.